It's that time of the year when lakhs of students find out whether they will get the course and college of their choice. Delhi University has made headlines over the last few years, given that they've been asking for 100% for several courses. But this time the news is a little better. It's not 100% cut-off in the first list at least, but it's anywhere between 98 to 99% is what the top colleges are asking. Let's now go across to Sonal joining us for more on this. Sonal, I'm told you are at Miranda House now. Every year, of course, there are lakhs of students wondering whether course or college, what are they going to get, which one of their choice. You've been reporting through the morning. It's not 100%, but the news not really significantly better. You still need, like you've been reporting, 99.25 to get into, say, BCom Honours at Ramjas.
That's right, Natasha. I come to you from Ramjas College, and we've been trying to report that this year around that there's been a new trend. Well, not the trend for 100%, but clearly the trend where we don't see the top 5 colleges coming out with the highest percentages, but other colleges now surging up their cutoff percentages, specifically in commerce and economics. I just want to, pan across and show you shots from here outside Ramjas colleges. You see lots of people here now who are trying to come in to try and get admission, but a lot of these people are not really students but all volunteers. And why is that? Because many at this point are saying that many colleges like Ramjas, Kirori Mal, even Khalsa could have gone ahead to even overestimate themselves a little. But why is that happening? When we spoke to the principals of both the colleges, the top 5 and these ones, they go on to say that the top 5 colleges have actually brought down their percentages significantly, and that 2% is a significant amount from the past few years. However, these colleges have continued to maintain the level that they had from the past many years. Will that mean that the students will now not turn up to these colleges? And all the vacancies are still, all people are actually going to still go on to apply to those top colleges? We'll have to wait and watch for that. Another thing that we've been seeing since morning is that for the first time around this year, students had to go out to book their slots online. The only reason they come to the colleges is to give in their certificates and their documents. For rest of it, it's all online, and that online website of the Delhi University has been crashing in since morning. So not a very smooth sailing on day one and also the first year where, this process, the online process is being followed. We spoke with a little while back with some students from outstation who've come in here and they talk about their campus dreams. Wherein, we also spoke with the principal of Ramjas College to try and understand why exactly 99.25% from Ramjas and not SRCC. Well, it's mission admission here in the national capital in North Campus, and this time around, move aside SRCC, Hansraj or all those top colleges, the highest cutoff for BCom Honours this time has come from Hansraj. It's not 100%, but it's 99.25. I'm joined by the principal here. So students are in a way relieved that it's not 100%, but still 99.25, too much, too high?
Let me make a correction first. You named 2 colleges and you didn't name Ramjas. And let me assure you, we are the best. Now, as far as cutoff goes, 99.25, it is a result of the policies of the University of Delhi. They are telling us that use your old wisdom, etc., and somehow come out with a cutoff. The rule says whatever cutoff you declare, all students, candidates above that cutoff are to be admitted. So, how do you control them? So, you will take calculated risk.
So, you are saying this is a way to ration out so that a particular amount of students actually get to the campus, because under the, the university's guidelines, you cannot decline any student.
Sure, you're right. You're right. I assure students not to worry. I think they should wait for the second list. We are bound to come down by 1% at least.